we are at the most iconic, the most famous, the biggest mall in the world, Dubai Mall, and we are gonna explore it. Let's see how it goes. Amazing, right? Look at this. Holy crap.
Would you like to see another one? Yeah. Okay, that's a shot.
Amazing, right? It's a hologram, by the way. Look at this cube. I'm super excited. So we are going to the world's fastest lift, which takes us into the top floor in 58 seconds. So let's experience that. 1, 2, 3, 30, 31, 59, 60. Oh shit. Oh shit. Look at this. Oh my goodness. I was there. Well, look at the behind the scenes of the iconic photograph that everybody takes. Expectations and reality. It's beautiful. Wow. Look at Mission Impossible game. So the sad thing is we missed the fountain show, which was at 1, but there's another going to be at 1:30, so let's hope for the best. Dubai Mall is a spectacular place to be at, and we just explored some of it, and I'm tired, super tired, and the vibes of this place are so good. So we are heading to our next place, so let's see what happens. This is the parking space and it's humongous, you cannot even imagine it. And we are super tired after roaming around here. So this is our hotel, Copthorne. Amazing. Just spent my last 2 hours here, taking the jacuzzi and swimming. Lovely. Look at this. I think we are heading to some McD or local street shop to have some dinner. Let's see.